How to reset the service reminder indicator on a 2014 Toyota Corolla. You're going to turn the ignition key on, and you're going to hit the display button on the right side of the steering column until trip A is displayed in the odometer reading. Trip B, is the odometer, and trip A. And you're going to shut the ignition key off. You're going to press down and hold the display button with the key off. Keep it depressed while you're turning the key on. And the display's going to count down those little hash marks. Display zeros, and it is all done. Shut it off. Start it, make sure our maintenance light is out. And it is. And that's it.